In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Genspark to summarize and analyze a PDF. First, open Genspark in your browser and sign into your account. If you're already logged in, you're all set. Make sure you're using a stable internet connection since we'll be uploading a file and interacting with the AI. Once you're in, head to the AI Chat module. This is where the conversation with the AI happens and where your PDF will be processed. Think of it as your workspace for asking questions and getting structured answers. Now upload your PDF using the file attachment option. Look for the paperclip or upload button, select your PDF from your device, and wait for the upload to finish. If your file is large, give it a moment. It helps to name your file clearly so you can reference it in your questions. After it's attached, you'll see the file listed in the chat, confirming it's ready for analysis. Next, ask Genspark to summarize, explain, or analyze the PDF. You can start with something simple like, please summarize this PDF, or get specific. Explain the methodology in plain language, or analyze the argument structure and note any assumptions. Clear, direct prompts lead to clear answers. If your document has sections or page numbers, mention them to keep the AI focused. When the answer appears, review it carefully and ask follow-up questions about specific sections. You might say, walk me through the results section on pages 8 to 10, or clarify what the author means by the key term in the introduction. If the first response feels too general, narrow the scope and ask the AI to cite page numbers or headings it relied on. If you need more, request key points, action items, or deeper analysis. Ask for the top takeaways, risks, recommendations, or implications. For operational documents, you can request concise action items. For research or policy PDFs, ask for strengths, weaknesses, and any gaps the author didn't address. You can also specify the format you want, like a short executive summary followed by a brief critique. When you're satisfied, save or copy the results. Use the platform's save option if available, or copy the text to your notes or document editor. It's a good idea to keep both the high-level summary and any detailed analysis you'll reference later. That's it. You've uploaded your PDF, guided the AI with targeted prompts, refined the output with follow-ups, and saved your results. With this workflow, you can turn long, complex PDFs into usable insights quickly and confidently.